Hey friends, if you wish to fix via uncorrectable error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But I want you to know one thing. This is very difficult to resolve, so we may have to reset the computer itself, but we will try. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select advanced options in the right pane. Select optional updates and install all the updates that are available. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. The next solution is a system restore, so search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, choose a different restore point, next choose a good restore point, next finish, and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. And lastly, we don't have any other option, so we will have to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and scroll down, select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, or if you wish to keep the settings you can, and select cloud download. Do not select local install, select cloud download, and that way you will be able to reset the system to the latest version, and you're basically reinstalling the whole operating system, so it will definitely fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.